How to add sparkline in Google Sheet? There are two formats you can do. This is column format or this is a line format. Anything which you can do. Let's learn. And let's say I will remove this values. Let's demonstrate how it can be done. Let's say you want line. You can just invoke the formula sparkline and then select the array or select the range. Give OK, and then you can just give for the rest of the other quarters. This has been done. Similarly, if you want specific column, then you can put this formula again, the same format. I mean, you can select the column, and now you have to do open the parenthesis. You write double quote chart type, again double quote comma, and let's say you want column. Again, you can close this. So this has come, and now I'm dragging for all. Now you can see that this is real time. For example, I'm making it 0. You can see it is already updated, right? Let's say I'm making 10, it is already updated. 20, 30, and it is automatically is updated. Similarly, whatever the values you wanted to have, both in the line or column or bar format, you can easily retrieve through the formula. Thank you.